Good day, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time. Today's a little bit different. Y'all have seen the title, so without further ado, let's get started. So, I did already open this box. This is the Ryobi 40 volt HP battery operated push. So I didn't get the extra stuff. The self-propelled. So let's see what we got in here. Honestly, looks like it's already set up. We just gotta take it out. So let's grab the battery. I did charge this yesterday. So this is a big, thick boy. Comes with this battery charger right here. Let's see what else we got. So we got some instructions. So looking through the instructions for the battery and the battery charger, I did not see any kind of time. From my experience, it took about 3, 4, maybe 5 hours. I'm pretty sure this is a fast charger. So if you do buy this machine, either early morning or plan to cut your yard the next day, like I am doing. So let's move this out the way. That was actually surprisingly light. Okay, so in here, got the operator's manual. You got a spot for 2 batteries, but I guess it only uses 1, and some kind of key. No, it goes in both ways. Okay, interesting. Got these little handles. Boom. Now let's set this up. Wait. You're missing a step. Let me show you.
The music is moving.
All right. That was easy. Just put in the battery. So it's set up. Very simple. Now let's take it for a test drive. Okay, so the battery just died, and they say that you can mow half of an acre on 1 battery charge. Okay, this is the big one. This is the 40 volt 6 amp hour, and I'm going to show you. I got the front done, and I got basically it's a little bit more than 50% of the rear done. So I still got all that in near the front where it's more visible to cut. So I should have started there. But yeah, so the battery is dead, so I can't do anything anymore. My whole lot is 0.2020 continuous. So it's way under half an acre. However, understandably, my grass is pretty tall right now. So now one big positive is that you can fold it, pull it up by the handle, and stand it up somewhere. So, my final thoughts. You know, it was pretty easy to set up. The battery didn't take too long to charge. However, unfortunately, it died way sooner than they advertise. You should definitely get a second battery. If I had a second battery, boom, job would have been completely 100% done, no problems, right? They advertised half an acre on that one battery. My yard is way less than even a quarter of an acre. But the 6 amp hour battery died. Now, again, my lawn was pretty high, so there's that. So all in all, I would say that this is a good option. This is a very good option. I would buy another battery or look for some kind of bundle, you know. I will say that my mistake is that I only charged the battery for the lawnmower because I bought an edge trimmer that also has a battery. So I should have put both of those batteries to charge. Besides that, I don't see any other cons, really, because you don't have to spend money on gas. You just hold the start button. When it starts, boom, that's it. Now, as for the sound, it is so much quieter than a gas lawnmower. When I'm mowing my lawn with the gas one, I have to have both my headphones in at max volume, and I can still hear the lawnmower. Now with this lawnmower, with the Ryobi, I had one headphone in at about 75% volume. That is a ridiculous, much quieter lawnmower, period. It just ridiculously, it's quiet, you know? You can still hear it, of course. It's not like no sound, but quiet. So, all in all, me personally, I think I would rate it. I think I would rate it 9 out of 10, if not 10 out of 10. And that one point, honestly, could probably be user error. It was 100% user error. Thank you for watching. If you like it, go ahead, give it a like. If there's something different that you think I should do to help y'all have a better experience, let me know in the comment section, and stay tuned for bloopers or some other stuff, I guess.